Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Sennheiser HD560S headphones. These are reference guide headphones for analytical listening. Very, very unique information there from Sennheiser. So not just for anybody, let's just put it that way. They're high performance reference headphones for critical listening. As you can see again, they mention that very frequently. Also at the back of the box, right there at the top, and mention some items in various information. Almost opened it upside down, but I'm gonna open it correctly if possible. So I'm just trying to get the headphones out themselves. These are wired headphones, purely wired for that matter. So just getting it out. It's kind of unique how they wrapped it up here. So I'm just kind of trying to be gentle here so I don't tug on it too tight and damage the headphones, although I don't think it'll get damaged that easily. And the cushioning and padding feels very unique. I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up, but I'll see if I can get some better angles later on in a separate video. And there's the wired. You'll notice that the auxiliary connection is not your typical 3.5 millimeter. Trying to see if you can kind of just tug off the tip, because I'm sure it's just an adapter, but just a failed attempt. But let's continue on with the other contents of the box first. So here we have what looks to be safety information in various languages, your typical Sennheiser documentation in various languages, and a very large pamphlet, if you will. So nothing fun and exciting there, so just put that back to the side and out of the way. But I am curious about the auxiliary cable. I've tried to tug it out, but not so clever of me because it's still in that really tight packaging. So I'm just trying to get it out of here. And I'm just trying to figure out how to open it and see, like, I know it's just an unboxing, but I'm really curious, how do you actually get that out? I'm sure there's a 3.5 millimeter included. So let's take a look. So it's more of, man, I can't even twist it. It's like tight. Okay, so you have to kind of really tug at it and twist. There we go. And there's the adapter fitting as I suspected. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you want to find a link to the review, you can find that in the video description, as well as links to my website and social media links. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.